Is
this a laughing matter?
No, Huzur, but the question is on Jummah day sometime people instead of looking to Huzur or looking to Imam, they look towards camera. Some people. Is it not bad? Or is
Well, it's bad to look directly in my face. It makes me nervous if somebody is looking up. And that is why I have instructed repeatedly that look down instead of looking up and facing me, staring me in the eyes. But to look at the camera is also bad. They want to project themselves through the camera. If they do it, this is bad. But if they do it unintentionally, then it's not bad. It happens. But sometimes I have to look in the camera, in the lens, towards the lens of the camera, because people write to me that when you speak, kindly look in the camera as well, because when we watch the television, then we have the impression that you're looking directly at us.